What is up, Flores Fam, and welcome back to another Flores Fam video. Today we are on our way to
Atascadero
because Julio has honestly a weekend full of gigs. It is Cinco de Mayo weekend. He played last night at La Mina, which I did not get footage of. My bad. But
I got footage, but it's not that great.
Okay, that works. Yeah, he has a gig out in Atascadero at the Tamal Fest, so we will be trying tamales.
Ooh.
And then tomorrow is actual Cinco de Mayo. He'll be playing at the Padre in Bakersfield, if you know.
Roosters.
And Roosters.
Don't they call it honky tonk or something like that?
Roosters Honky Tonk.
Which used to be the old
Syndicate.
I don't know that.
If you know, you know. But yeah, that's what we're doing this week.
Full deal music again.
It's what we do, guys. I eat, he plays. That's our life.
Let's go.
You know what? If it rains, ni modo. Let's go. Baila. Y seguimos bailando, ¿cómo no? Para todas las borrachas y los borrachos. Contaré la historia de una famosa persona. Todos la conocen con el apodo de Jonah. Todos la conocen con el apodo de Jonah. Su marido dice ya no sé qué hacer con ella. Diario va a los bailes y se compra una botella. Diario va a los bailes y se compra una botella. Se arranca la marcha con la primera canción. Y la Chona luego busca bailador. Y la Chona luego busca bailador. La gente la mira y le empieza a gritar. Bravo, bravo, Chona, nadie te puede igualar. Bravo, bravo, Chona, nadie te puede igualar.
Anelo elote. Trying a street corn. The hack is to get it roasted. It gives it such a better flavor.
Roasted, baby. It's my first time trying to roast it. Like that.
No, the remate, they have it like that.
I never tried it that. I always get the esquite.
Oh, true.
Pretty bomb. We have a lot to check out still.
We're gonna eat so much today, you don't even know.
Miles.
You know you gotta get this taco and let's see. Getting some plátanos fritos, but these aguas look fire. Blueberry lemonade, wow.
Passion fruit.
Passion fruit. Oh, I love passion fruit.
Thank you so much. Ooh, baby.
The food of my people.
Here, baby.
Plátano frito with lechera.
Ooh.
Ooh.
Are they
Soft,
warm?
Sweet,
Ooh, okay.
warm.
Chulada like you.
Bomb.
What do you rate it? 1 out of 10.
Probably like this is an 8 out of 10. It's
Not bad, not bad. Pretty good.
On to the next one.
We got all that section still. Paray.
Nothing but tamales. Award-winning fabulous. Tamal Fest, you know we had to get tamales.
You have to.
We got beef and pork right here. It's super chilly. Let's see.
Ready? They're hot.
Good, because it's super cold today. Nice and windy.
Bomb.
Rate it, 1 out of 10.
A 9.
Oh, okay, that's good.
Give me your review,
Strawberry tamal.
baby. Good?
Okay.
You know what? The tamal matches your shirt.
Pretty and pink.
That's right.
Bomb.
What do you rate it though? You gotta rate it.
I like savory tamales. I'm gonna give it a 6.5.
Whatever you say, honesty.
That's a good flavor, but it's a little dry. But yeah,
We're good.
6.5.
Hey, you heard it.
Gotta get the mini donuts. To end the trip, got a frozen lemonade, even though it's literally raining, and delicious powdered donuts. Had to come back to the car to eat it, because it's literally raining. But we got the
Donuts.
powdered sugar donuts. If you've been to any fair, you know, can't go wrong with these. These are delicious.
Cheers.
Cheers. Ending the trip. Come on, can't go wrong. And I got a frozen lemonade because Six Flags doesn't have it anymore. That was the best part.
Yes. But we're done with my gig today, right?
Yeah.
Duh.
For today, we still have 2 more to go. 2 more to go. 2 more tomorrow.
That's it. Now the stress begins. Gotta go to the dentist.
Frozen lemonade.
Hey, this band is good. The band.
So is this lemonade. I think it tastes good because of the sweetness. You like it?
Delicious. Yeah, that's good.
Diabetes.
Dame.
That's it for today. See y'all tomorrow.
Hold up. You guys hear them? That band?
That's it.
The next day.
So we're here at the Padre. It is Cinco de Mayo. The band's already on stage. Let's go show you what that looks like.
¿Qué dice su papá? ¿Qué dice su mamá? ¿Qué le pasa a Lupita? ¿Qué le pasa a Lupita? ¿Qué le pasa a Lupita?
Just got done. On our way across the street to Roosters. Let's go, baby. While we wait for our band to play, here's Vibe Check. Getting our after gig in and out. Only the best.
After 4 days, right?
After 3 days of working mad hard.
Thank you, you too. Oh,
Look at that.
that chulada.
For my Washington family, sucks.
We had a long weekend.
Yeah,
Finally
we
done.
did. Finally done. We're about to grub. Thank y'all for watching. Y'all are the best, honestly.
Alright.
I love hearing you guys' feedback, whether it's in person or in the comments.
And I'm surprised you get feedback. This is good.
It's great. Later, y'all.